Alright guys, today we're going to be opening this slime ball, I guess it's slime. I have no idea what this is. My sister packed it. For me. So this slime ball, I have no idea what this is. So I can't wait to open this. So comment or like down below if you comment down below, and it's a person for Peppa Pig. That's all I know. That's all she told me. So comment down below who you think it is. George Pig, Peppa Pig, Susie Sheep, Daddy Pig, Mommy Pig, all those. So let's see what's in this. Oh, this is actually George Pig. Tiny George. Okay, that's all she gave me. She said she's going to give me some tomorrow. I'm doing almost every day, I think. But some days I might. So I'm approximately every day, probably. Okay? All right. Bye. Bye, queens and kings.